If you know your days of the week in Irish, I need you to stick around to tell me if I'm wrong. And if you don't, for the first time, I'm going to run through Monday to Sunday how to say the days of the week in Irish, plus give you how to say on this day, because it is slightly different. So if we're saying Monday, it's an luan, an luan. And if it's on Monday, it's jaluan, jaluan. So an luan, jaluan. Tuesday, and warch, and warch, and warch. On Tuesday, j march, j march. Like mudge, march. Wednesday is an cading, and cading. And on Wednesday is j cading, j cading. Thursday, and jardine, and jardine. And on Thursday is just jardine, jardine, jardine. No j, jardine, just jardine. Friday is an inya, an inya. And on Friday is jahenya, jahenya, jahenya. Saturday, and sahern, and sahern. On Saturday, jasahirn, jasahirn, jasahirn. Sunday is andonag, andonag. On Sunday is jidoni, jidoni, jidoni. Let me know how I did. Any feedback for how I've pronounced them or the phonics that I've made, stick them in the comments. Thanks as always.